Ipsan. Securing implementation in Ipsan. Challenge handshake authentication protocol, which includes basic authentication mechanism, authenticates a user to a network resource. CHAP provides a method for initiator and targets to authenticate each other by utilizing a secret code or password. CHAP secrets are usually random secrets of 12 to 128 characters. It is implemented either one way or two way. One way, authentication password configured on only one side of the connection. Two way, authentication password configured on both sides of the connection, requiring both side nodes to validate the connection. Mutual authentication. Security implementation in Ipsan. The secret is never changed directly over the communication channel. Rather, a one-way hash function converts it into a hash value, which is then exchanged. Yes, hash function using the MD5 algorithm transforms data in such a way that the result is unique and cannot be changed back to its original form. We have a diagrammatic representation for one-way CHAP authentication, which has the elements as target and initiator, and which has 6 steps to go with, which is mentioned in the diagram. Two-way CHAP authentication. If the initiator requires reverse CHAP authentication, the initiator authenticates the target by using the same procedure. The CHAP secret must be configured on the initiator and the target. The CHAP entry, composed of a node and the secret associated with the node, is maintained by the target and the initiator. The same steps are executed in a two-way CHAP authentication scenario. After these steps are completed, the initiator authenticates the target. If both authentication steps succeed, then data access is allowed. CHAP is often used because it is a fairly simple protocol to implement and can be implemented across a number of disparate systems. You have two-way CHAP authentication and a diagrammatic representation for this, where the target and initiator are the elements, and you have around 11 steps to go with, and it is represented in the diagram. ISNS discovery domain function. ISNS discovery domain function in the same way as FC zones. Discovery domains provide functional groupings of devices in an Ipsan. For devices to communicate with one another, they must be configured in the same discovery domain. State change notifications inform the ISNS server when devices are added to or removed from a discovery domain. We have a diagrammatic representation of this Ipsan with ISNS, where the elements are management platform, host ABC, devices AB with ISNS.